So there is something really wrong with shotguns. It's how inconsistent they are. One time you could be hitting a 20 from 1 meter away, and another time you could be hitting 180 or something. They're so inconsistent, and I've thought of a way to fix them. What you would need to do is just have a base damage put onto them. So no matter, even if one pellet hits, it still, say, for instance, does 30 damage. I think this would be a really good fix, and hopefully they implement it into the game because the game has become unplayable from my point of view. That's all.